Alright, here is an unboxing of the DJI Mic 2. Let's tear it up like a beast. There's a big box with this little box. Wow. Toss this away. Sheesh. So, this is what we have. A DJI mic. Wireless microphone. There's the box. Transmission. Transmitter. All this stuff. Let's open this thing up. There we go. I should say, I've been waiting for this for quite a bit. Constantly. Alright. A lot of tape here. A lot of seals. Here it comes. Made for the iPhone. Whoa. It's in warranty. Always get that. So here's the first box. Let's see. It's a pouch. DJI pouch. Looks like very nice. Let's see what's in it. Cables. Oh, windscreen. Two. So you get two windscreens. You get USB to USB-C cable, the TRR cable. And, oh, there's something in here. Oh, there's two pockets. I guess that's where they put documentation, like start guide. Let's see. Here's the device in here. So let's see what's this. Okay. Wrapping. Whoa. Here goes the reveal. There you go. Whoa, turns on. Needs to be charged. Here is a receiver. I mean the microphone transmitter. Transmitter. Two transmitter. Plus the magnet. Transmitter. Pretty cool. And here's the main device. Whoa, look at that. It's really small and really light. Wow, that's pretty cool. Really small and really light. Okay. I guess this is a clip. It's a clip for the transmitter. I mean the receiver. The clip for the receiver. Yes. Definitely got to read the documentation. But here's the adapters. USB-C and lightning cable. So this is a lightning cable. Yep. This is for the adapter. So it goes into like that. So you snap it. It's really tight and snug. There we go. So you can attach this to the iPhone or an iPad. Really cool. Full adapter. Ooh. Really tough. It's really tight. It's really tight. So, oh, okay, there we go. I don't want to break it. Okay, it's good snug. It's a little too snug, but you want it to be snug because you might lose audio. Right? It's USB-C. Okay, so transmitter. Here's the out. Got the headphone jack, and you have the out. So connect this to your DSLR camera, and or you could connect it via USB-C cable. Pretty cool. That's a pretty cool option because then you could use it for your laptop or your Zoom sessions. Pretty neat. I like the package. Definitely. This is a clip. So I don't know how to clip this on though. Or it's just an extra clip. Yeah, I think it's just an extra clip. Because it's not for this. Okay. I'll just keep that there. So back. And over here, you can swipe up. Create a safety channel. Swipe up, mono, left and right, and settings, headphone volume, receiver guide, safety channel, receiver gain, volume, and settings. Vibration notification, wow, that's interesting. Low cut filter, link device, transmitter gain, brightness, screen brightness, language, calendar, factory reset, and compliance info. Version, so this is the firmware version 2.0, 0.72.56. Out of this. Alright, that's pretty cool. Cool. See your gain. Headphones. Settings. Pretty cool. Swipe down. Swipe up. There we go. So put this back in. Look at that. So this is DJI mic 2. Pretty neat. Close it up. Oh, this is a charging cable. Yeah, so we can use this to charge it. Cool. Hope you liked that video. Like and subscribe. Is it worth it? I think so. Check it out. Link in description below.